Employment 101 helps users learn about the things they need to develop a career plan, implement a job search plan, and understand the items needed to achieve success on the job, with a focus on the Illinois Essential Employability Skills. With the ability to work from a phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop, this self-guided tool employs a series of interactive learning modules with activities that populate the participant's Illinois workNet profile with skills and interest surveys, career and training exploration bookmarks, career plan goals and steps to achieve them, a job tracking tool, and a budget worksheet. You earn a certificate and digital badge when you achieve success on the post-assessment. Are you ready to start?